The stage is not my place until Mutya ning Sto.Rosario 2016 came up. That amazing experience was indeed remarkable for me. An evening that filled with so much love, happiness, and memories. Before I finally pass on my crown to the new Mutya ning Sto.Rosario 2018, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude and appreciation to all the wonderful people who have been part of my victory. To my family, especially to Mama Julie and Papa Restigames, to my younger brother Adrian, Sister Joy, and Kuya RJ. I could have not done this without you. You are all my great source of strength, happiness, and inspiration. To Sto.Rosario Barangay Council, headed by Barangay Captain Mersantong Cab and his kagawan. Thank you so much for making me and the rest of Lakanab Mutya ning Sto.Rosario 2016 candidates feel and enjoy the momentum of the competition. To Tita Dan Vergara and Tita Precious Rojas, our organizers, I have seen how you work together, how you strive harder just to make the event a reality, and endless thanks for the wonderful opportunity you have given to me. To my handler Kuya Melvin John Flores, thank you for the effort, patience, and gracious help you have given me during my life's journey. You are one of the big reasons for who I am today. You may not be here tonight, but my sincerest gratitude goes to you. Likewise, to Kuya Miko Sula, Michael John Carrion, Abil Laksamana, and Barising Malonzo. Your all-out support is truly appreciated. To Kuya Jun Baluyo, our official designer, it is my pride and honor to wear our beautiful masterpiece. For all my friends, relatives, classmates, and people of Barangay Sto.Rosario, your overwhelming support have helped me to make it through. And to the Lakanab Mutya ning Sto.Rosario 2016 candidates, thank you so much for the friendship. All our memories will be forever be cherished. I will miss you all, guys. And lastly, to our Almighty God, thank you for the gift of life. Your ever-watchful presence and enlightened made everything possible. Indeed, Mutya ning Sto.Rosario 2016 was a life-changing experience. It molded me into a kind of a woman I am today. And to the lucky lady who will be crowned tonight, make use of your title as an inspiration to everyone. I dare you to be different, and I dare you to make a difference. My reign ends tonight, but I will always be Erica Marie Venerable Gomez, your Mutya ning Sto.Rosario 2016, saying, dakal pong salamat at masayang kapiastan kay kayo.